Thank you, Kuya Mark. Si Daisy 7, may tanong, maaari bang gamitin ang hindi may paliwanag na yaman sa ilalim po ng SAL-in law bilang tiyak na ebidensya ng plunder?
Yes. Bakit? Kasi anong purpose ng SAL-in? The purpose of SAL-in is accountability because public office is public trust. Statement of assets and network and liability. Kailangan mo sabihin nyo, if you're a public official, kailangan sabihin mo lahat ng mga kwarta mo, every year at isubmit yan. Every year submit yan. Bakit? Para malaman kung yumaman ka ba nung nasa government ka or naghirap ka nung nasa government ka. That's public accountability. Kung hindi hindi nakalagay doon, nakatago yun, for example, ang SAL-in mo, ang kwarta mo ang asset mo is 10 million. But may bank account ka umabot ng 100 million. May bahay ka sa isang exclusive subdivision sa Makati worth 1 billion. May beach resort ka ba sa Boracay? So paano natin mapaliwanag yan? So that is already considered plunder because in plunder, it can be proven by circumstantial evidence. Hindi ka kailangan direct evidence eh. Circumstantial evidence or unexplained wealth. So, unexplained wealth. Or acquisition of assets. Nag-acquire ka ng assets through dummies. So, you can be liable for plunder.